Join me as I dive into all the leaked details about the Mavic 4 Pro and see if I can predict the biggest upgrades ever. The Mavic series has always been at the forefront of drone innovation, and the Mavic 4 Pro is no exception. Rumors have been circulating about its imminent release, and drone enthusiasts like myself are eager to see what DJI has in store for us. When it comes to the Mavic 3 series, while it's an incredible piece of technology, there are certainly limitations that users have been hoping to see addressed in the next model. One major complaint is the battery life, with many users feeling that it just doesn't last long enough, especially for those longer, more complex shoots. Another issue is the limited zoom range of the camera, with many users wishing for more flexibility when it comes to framing their shots. Additionally, the Mavic 3 series is also criticized for its lack of obstacle avoidance sensors on the side, which can sometimes make it difficult to navigate in tight spaces. And lastly, some users have expressed disappointment with the drone's ability to handle high winds, with some experiencing issues with stability in gusty conditions. All of these limitations have left users wondering what DJI can do to improve upon the Mavic 3 series, and it seems that the Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a game changer. With rumored improvements to the camera system, including a new telephoto lens with increased zoom range, and a redesigned battery that promises significantly longer flight times, the Mavic 4 Pro is already looking like a serious upgrade. But that's not all. The Mavic 4 Pro is also rumored to include advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, including side sensors, which will make it much easier to navigate in tight spaces. And with improved wind resistance, the Mavic 4 Pro promises to be much more stable in windy conditions. One of the most exciting rumored features, however, is the inclusion of a new active track feature, which will allow the drone to automatically follow a subject, keeping them in frame no matter where they move. But the most exciting rumored feature of the Mavic 4 Pro is the inclusion of a new smart frame feature. This feature promises to revolutionize drone photography and videography by allowing the drone to automatically adjust the frame to capture the most cinematic shots possible. Imagine being able to capture stunning, sweeping vistas without having to manually adjust the camera settings. It's a feature that could completely change the way we approach drone photography and videography. The rumored upgrades of the Mavic 4 Pro are truly exciting, and if they come to fruition, this drone could be a total game changer for the industry. With its improved camera system, increased flight times, and advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, the Mavic 4 Pro promises to be the most advanced drone on the market. So what do you think about the rumored upgrades of the Mavic 4 Pro? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on all the latest drone technology, be sure to check out my other videos on the channel. Thanks for watching.